Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we are going to see how to handle our exceptions. In our previous video, we have seen the different types of errors. So, if the error is going to occur, how to handle that error? Now we are going to write a block of code which will tell what to do if the error occurs and allows the program to continue. This is called exception handling. And it can be done using the try and catch block. So this is the syntax for the try block. It starts with the keyword try and it is followed by the operations which we need to perform. This is the operations which are likely to get errors. And then we have an exception block, which is nothing but a catch block. In this exception block, we will tell what we need to do if the operation fails. Now we'll look at an example to have a better understanding. So we'll try to open a file which is not present in the first place. If we are trying to open a file in a read mode, if the file is not present in the first place, the Python interpreter will display an error. So we will declare a variable called file and use the open function, mention the file name as sample file.txt, and we're going to open them in the read mode, and we wanted to perform write operation on the file. First line. So this is the directory and I don't have any text file in the name called sample file. So if I run this line, the Python interpreter will display an error. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, it displayed an error as expected, telling that no such file or directory is present. So what if happen if you use the try catch block or try exception block? So in this case, the part which are likely to throw an error, we are putting them inside the try block. And if we face an issue or an error, then what needs to be done? So that piece of code is displayed in our exception block. So in our case, in our exception block, we are telling that no such file is present. So once the Python interpreter executes the exception blocks, the program moves to the next line of the code, which is nothing but the final print statement. Let's run the program and check this out. So if I run the program, the Python interpreter will print two print statements. One will be the one in the exception block, another one will be the final print statement. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, expected result has been displayed. So this is the advantage of try and catch block or try and exception block. When you know that the likelihood of a part of the program is going to create an error, we put that part of the code inside the try block and tell the program what needs to be happen when we face the error. So that part of the code comes in the exception block. So by this way, we can avoid the error and the program can keep on continue running. I believe you guys understood how the try and exception block works and what is its use cases in detail. See you guys in the next video.